If you're having trouble establishing a connection between your Magic Leap 2 and the Magic Leap hub, it may be because your USB debugging is set to off. Let's learn how to enable USB debugging. You'll need to have it enabled before you can use the hub to copy data between your computer and your device, or to use tools like the OS installer. First, let's enable developer mode so that you can view the advanced developer options. Start by turning on your Magic Leap 2 headset and controller. When the home menu opens on your Magic Leap 2 headset, click Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and choose About. On the About screen, scroll down again and find the section titled Build Number on the bottom of the page. Click on the build number 7 times. After the 7th tap, you'll see a message saying you are now a developer. Now that developer mode has been enabled, let's turn on USB debugging. From here, you'll want to hit the back arrow and choose System from within the setting menu. In the System menu, click Advanced. This shows you additional choices. Click Developer Options. On the Developer Options menu, scroll down to the Debugging section and toggle the USB Debugging button to the right. This turns on USB debugging. When connecting your Magic Leap 2 to your computer, and depending on what OS release you're on, you will now be presented with a few potential prompts. When you see this prompt, Allow USB Debugging, select Allow. If you see this option, then choose the second option, File Transfer/ML Hub Connectivity Media Transfer Protocol. You should now be able to connect your Magic Leap 2 to the hub and take advantage of all the features it has to offer.